Arabic with Amina's Nouns and Adjectives course. This is the first lesson, the introduction to nouns. In this lesson, I'll give you a basic introduction to what nouns are and how to identify them in Arabic text. In this course, we'll focus on what are nouns, how to know if a word is a noun, what are the genders of nouns, and what will you learn in this course. Let's get started. First, what are nouns? Nouns are the first type of the three types of words in Arabic. The other two types are verbs and particles. So how do you know when looking at a word, is this word a noun? A noun is any word that refers to a thing, such as a gift, hadiyah, or a place, such as a museum, muthaf. It could also be a person, such as Muhammad. A noun could also be an animal, such as a cat, qitta, or a concept, such as love, hubb. Finally, it could also be an action, such as running, raqb. If you find a word while reading Arabic text that refer to any of these things, then you can confidently say that this word is a noun. But what if you don't know the meaning of the word? Can you still figure out whether the word is a noun? In fact, you can. Nouns have unique qualities. For nouns are the only words which can be defined by the, al, such as al-hadiyah, the gift. Nouns also are the only words that can end with the short vowel kasra. You see here, muthaf ends with the kasra. في متحف المدينة, in the city's museum. Also, nouns are the only words that can be called upon, such as Ya Muhammad, O Muhammad. In this phrase, we are calling Muhammad. So if you find a word and you don't know if it's a noun or not, but it has any of these traits, you can say that this word is a noun. Next, we'll move on to noun genders. All nouns in Arabic are either feminine or masculine. There are no neutral nouns in Arabic. Knowing the gender is important to form the correct adjective. Feminine nouns take feminine adjectives, whereas masculine nouns take masculine adjectives. Noun genders are also important in choosing the correct demonstrative pronoun, and we'll get to this later in the course. Most of the time, you can identify the gender of the noun by its form. However, that's not always the case. Take this for example. Mar'a, meaning woman, ends with a ta marbuta. So you can say that this noun is feminine. However, what about yad? It doesn't end with a ta marbuta. So you'd assume that this noun is masculine. But that's not the fact. Yad is in fact feminine. This is why we recommend whenever learning a new noun, be sure to learn its gender as well. Now let's talk about what you will learn about in this course. In the next lesson, you'll learn about noun genders, also how to change nouns from the masculine form to the feminine form. After that, we'll talk about nominal sentence structure and pronouns. After that, we'll talk about definite and indefinite nouns. Once we're done with that, we'll get into adjectives. Finally, we'll talk about singular demonstrative pronouns. And that concludes this lesson in the Nouns and Adjectives course. If you want to be notified when the next video comes out, be sure to subscribe and click the bell next to the subscribe button. If you have any questions, be sure to comment them below and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up.